All is well where there is angel. Rise high, like caterpillar to butterfly. Hello everyone, I am Anvesha Datta. I welcome you all to the world of spirituality. Today's topic is concern about your right. Kindly give your attention to this topic. Few people are misusing their rights. That's why it is necessary to highlight this topic. We all have some rights to do something. We all have the ability to use it in our favor. But we should also remember that while doing anything, we have no right to harm others. Often we forget that and only think about ourselves. This selfish behavior makes us inhuman. We hurt someone else knowingly or unknowingly. And the saddest part is, many people don't even care if someone gets hurt due to their behavior. I am not only talking about any emotional hurtness, but also about damage or loss. It may be physical, may be monetary. Disrespect to others is now a common thing. People are forgetting to respect elders or one another. Is this human behavior? Tell me, my dear. If you all continue like this, then one day nobody will respect you. It's like give and take. People will respect you only if you respect them. Nobody likes such a person who is ruthless, selfish, harmful for others. Why should people want your company? You will end up alone, all alone, lonely. Do you know how dangerous loneliness is? Why are you so desperate to hurt others? When you hurt someone, people with broken heart may curse you and it will affect you badly. If you do good to others, they will bless you wholeheartedly. This also will have an impact on you. Believe it or not, blessings or curse is for real. People get what they give. It is karma. So, my dear, concern about your rights and use it for good. It is okay to think about your own benefits, but do not harm others. You have no right to harm others. If you do that, you will end up harming yourself eventually. Karma does not spare anyone. Be concerned, otherwise, wait for your table to turn. Thank you all for joining me. This is all for today. See you all to my next video. Till then, take care. Stay healthy, be happy. God loves you all. Archangel Michael loves you all.